Hey guys, this lesson is really for anybody, but it's a way of learning how to see the world around you as an artist sees the world. So for this, you can go outside with your sibling or your son or daughter, or you can do this inside as well. So really what you want to do is pick a color, and the way I think this would be best done is if you chose a different color every day of the week and just focus on colors that week. I actually got this lesson from my son's teacher, Courtney Willard, at Westfield Elementary School. So she had her students, go outside and look for a scavenger hunt for the color yellow. But when you find the color yellow, what's most important is that when you zoom in on that object, you notice how it's not just solid yellow. Rarely ever in nature are there objects that are a solid color. So have your student or your brother or sister really look for the different tints and shades and saturations of those colors. And I'll put a link to the notes for those, the definition of those words, but just have them use words like that's bright yellow or light yellow, or do you see how the yellow fades into the green and there's like a greenish yellow? So pick a color each week and go on a scavenger hunt. You can further this lesson by having your student or sibling look for, take pictures of, so that would be incorporating some photography in there. Take pictures of their findings and what they found that fit in that category for that day. So yellow, blue, or purple, whatever color you chose. And another way that you can further it is if you can actually pick up the object, you can set up a little still life, meaning you put the object in front of them and have them draw it. And if you have the materials at home to add color to your drawing, try to have them, instead of just coloring it a solid color, and this depends on, the grade level, but try to have them color it light yellow or dark yellow. You press down darker for a dark yellow and pick up your color pencil or crayon for a lighter yellow. And that's actually the reason there are white color pencils or white crayons, is because if you go over your light color with a white color pencil or a white crayon, it'll actually blend it and make a lighter color rather than it just being, not pressed down hard enough. Alright, so that's this challenge for the week. Just go out or stay in, whichever you prefer, but choose a color, one per day, and do a scavenger hunt activity with your sibling or your son or daughter.